Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tacoma maintenance light. This quick and easy method will help you turn off that main wrecked indicator on your dashboard. You won't need any special tools or complex procedures, and the entire process takes just a few minutes of your time. Let's get that light off so you can drive with complete peace of mind, knowing your vehicle is ready for the road ahead. First, ensure your Toyota Tacoma's ignition is completely turned off. This is a vital starting point for the reset procedure. Next, locate the trip meter reset button, which is typically found near your odometer on the instrument panel. Before moving forward, press this button repeatedly until your odometer display clearly shows trip A. This specific setting is crucial for many models to ensure the reset works correctly. Now, with the ignition off, firmly press and hold down the trip reset button. Keep it held down as you turn your ignition key to the on position. It's important to remember not to start the engine during this step. Continue to hold the trip button for approximately 10 seconds. During this time, you will likely see the odometer display count down or flash, indicating the reset is in progress. Once the odometer display shows 5 zeros, or the maintenance required light disappears from your dashboard, you can safely release the trip reset button. After releasing, turn your ignition completely off to finalize the process. Finally, restart your Toyota Tacoma to confirm that the maintenance required light is no longer illuminated. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your maintenance reminder and are good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.